Good evening, boys and girls and Cougar parents. Tonight we're taking a look at simple interest. Sorry there's no intro with my face nor my kids. Please get out the guided notes that I gave you in class today. I think that the guided notes is very thorough and very self-explanatory. Shouldn't take a lot tonight. And just to quickly go over, simple interest is simply that. And simple interest. Interest is the amount of money that is earned by investing in a bank or some sort of account. Okay, and simple interest is simply equal to, you find whatever the principal is. The principal is that initial amount that you start with and you deposit. The interest rate then is very important. That is the percent of the principal that you'll receive over a certain unit of time. I know this sounds, and then it's also times the amount of time that you keep it in the bank. So we have interest is equal to P times R times T. Okay, principal times the rate times the time. And here we go. Let's flip over your guided notes to the handout that I gave you, and we're going to look at practice problem number 4. First thing I want you to do is write down the formula. We're going to commit this to long-term memory. Interest is equal to principal times rate times time. Okay, what is the principal? Well, the initial amount of money that is being invested is $4,000. That's what you're depositing. We're then going to multiply that by 3%. The 3% we are going to change to a decimal, which is 3/100. And then the duration, or for how long, the interest rate is 3% per year. How many years is it staying in? 4 years. Okay, and when we multiply this through, we will get the interest is equal to $480. It's very easy. Let's take a look at another one. Example problem, or I should say practice problem number 4. Once again, interest is equal to the principal times the rate times the time, the amount of time that it's in. And keep in mind, later on we might see a problem where instead of them giving us years, they might give us months. So your time could be a fraction or a decimal, because if it's not a complete yearly cycle, you know, if it was half a year, then it would be 0.5. But anyway, that's not the case here. We want to find the interest. It's equal to the principal, and what's the initial or the starting amount of money that was invested? It's $20,600. We multiply that by 8%, which we change to a decimal, 8/100, times 2 years. And the interest, when we multiply these three numbers together, we get $3,296. Okay, and that's it. I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, and bye-bye.